Good morning. I just want to do a quick video on how to install a Facebook pixel on, in particular, a WordPress website. I know Rob Spence mentioned this in the recent Facebook Live we did. Right, before you start any sort of Facebook ad campaign, it's important you get your pixel installed. Facebook can then start to gather data based on your website visitors, which you can then use to retarget or also create lookalike audiences as well. So the first thing you want to do is, in your business manager, go to pixels here, and then if you haven't created a pixel already, you should get an opportunity to create one as well. So if you just go create a pixel, give it a name. I normally call it your website name, so we'll just call it LTW Digital. Press. The website URL is optional because you can actually install your pixel on multiple websites. I recommend doing this only if the websites are similar in terms of your target audience and customers. If they are very different, I recommend actually creating a separate pixel to do so. So if you click create, Facebook will now give you a number of options to basically install your pixel. That's my son in the background. Which you actually then install your website now. They recently had integration to connect to platforms such as WordPress, sort of Wix, etc. You can either install the code yourself, which if you know your basic HTML, it's quite straightforward to do, or you can email instructions to a developer. What I'll do is I'm going to just walk through how to do it in WordPress because it's probably the most common platform we've got, and at the same time, it's quite easy to do now. So if we just click on connect to partner platform, as you can see here, you can select your different sort of websites that you've got. So if we go WordPress, and then what you want to do is WordPress now actually provides a plugin that you can actually use. So if you want to click on download, and then all you need to then do is if you just find that plugin. So I'm just going to move this to my desktop. And then if you go to your WordPress website, head over to plugins, then add new, upload. I'm just going to find that file on my desktop. So it's this one here. Hit install now. So this way is actually a lot faster. Facebook will do all the heavy lifting for you in this case. You don't have to faff around with sort of adding sort of your pixel code into your header script, which can be temperamental depending on your website too. So once that's then activated, you should just be able to then just follow the instructions. So they actually walk you through it as I've just showed you. Really simple to do. So we've done this, we've activated it, and then what we can then do is just tell WordPress to check. It can take a few minutes for this to work. So as you can see, Facebook has now picked up the pixel. Then continue. And then that's it. I mean, once you've set up your pixel, depending on your lead gen campaign, you may need to then sort of create custom conversions or custom events based on what you want to track. By default, Facebook will track your sort of link clicks and view content campaigns. If you do want to track sort of lead magnet downloads, such as an ebook or a guide, or sending people through a certain funnel, you'll need to tell Facebook what page it needs to record when that sort of lead has submitted their details and gone through. I hope that was useful. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. or if you need help with any sort of other sort of website installations, just let me know too. Thanks.